Hey there, beautiful souls. Why do some conversations feel like magic, while others leave you scratching your head in frustration? It's not just the words we use, it's the way our personalities shape how we connect with others. Let's discover the magical secrets of your personality and how it influences your communication style. Whether you're the type who loves diving into deep discussions or you prefer to keep things light and energetic, your MBTI personality type plays a key role. Today, we're exploring how all 16 MBTI types communicate in relationships. From expressing feelings to resolving conflicts, understanding these styles can help you strengthen your connections and make communication feel effortless. Let's start with something simple. Think about how you react during a conversation. If you're an introvert, chances are you take your time to process your thoughts before speaking. Introverts often prefer meaningful, one-on-one discussions over casual small talk. For them, words carry weight and they seek depth in their interactions. On the other hand, extroverts thrive on connection. They think out loud, bouncing ideas off others, and find energy in group discussions. While introverts may need space to recharge after a long conversation, extroverts can feel isolated if they go too long without interaction. Understanding these natural tendencies is the first step toward improving communication in any relationship. But there's more to the story. Each MBTI type has its own unique approach to communication, and these differences can make or break a conversation. Analysts, for instance, types like INTJs and INTPs, are logical and straightforward. They prefer clarity and problem-solving, often steering clear of emotional drama. ENTJs and ENTPs take this a step further with their bold and dynamic style. They love engaging in debates and exploring new ideas, but their intensity can sometimes overwhelm more reserved personalities. Diplomats, however, bring a completely different energy to the table. INFJs and INFPs are thoughtful and empathetic, choosing their words carefully to ensure they truly connect with others. These types excel at listening and making people feel understood. ENFJs and ENFPs, on the other hand, light up conversations with their warmth and enthusiasm. They're natural encouragers, always seeking to uplift those around them. Then we have the Sentinels, practical communicators who value structure and consistency. ISTJs and ISFJs focus on facts and details, keeping conversations grounded and reliable. ESTJs and ESFJs add an organized and collaborative touch to discussions, often taking the lead to ensure everyone is on the same page. These types excel at clear, efficient communication but may struggle when dealing with spontaneous or emotionally charged situations. Finally, the explorers approach conversations with creativity and adaptability. ISTPs and ISFPs are calm and action-oriented, preferring to express themselves through actions rather than words. Their communication is focused and intentional. On the other hand, ESTPs and ESFPs bring an energy and excitement that's hard to miss. They're expressive, playful, and often use humor to connect with others, making them the life of the party in any discussion. These varied styles highlight the beauty of personality differences, but they can also lead to misunderstandings. For instance, a logical INTJ might find it hard to connect with a deeply emotional INFP during a conflict. Similarly, an extroverted ENTP might accidentally overwhelm an introverted ISFJ in a lively debate. Key to bridging these gaps lies in empathy and adaptability. Instead of focusing on differences, try to appreciate the other person's style and adjust your approach accordingly. If you're naturally outgoing, remember that introverts might need more time to process their thoughts before responding. Give them space, and you'll notice how much more they have to share. For introverts, consider opening up a bit more when talking to extroverts. They thrive on interaction and might mistake your quietness for disinterest. Similarly, if you're feelings-driven like an ENFP or INFJ, practice being more direct when communicating with logical types like INEJs or ISTJs. They'll appreciate your clarity. Logical types, on the other hand, can benefit from adding warmth and understanding to their tone when speaking with emotional types. A little effort goes a long way. Effective communication is about meeting in the middle. It's about recognizing that every style has value and learning to adjust without losing your authenticity. When you do this, conversations become less about misunderstandings and more about connection. At its core, communication is the foundation of every relationship. By understanding your personality type and the unique styles of those around you, you can create deeper, more meaningful connections. So, which MBTI type are you? Do you see your communication style reflected in this breakdown? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear how you navigate communication in your relationships. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your personality is your superpower, and understanding it can transform the way you connect with the people who matter most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.